Oh boy, here they come. Baby, please be careful. Oh my God.
When you run out of potting,